Good evening to all of you. This is my first video on YouTube. I would like to introduce myself in brief. I am Virendra Mishra, advocate practicing in Delhi courts. I completed my law from Campus Law Center, University of Delhi. My main focus will be to cover all legal aspects and impart legal education, and I would also cover some important topics related to political science, literature, and some poems and motivational stories of the leaders. Today, as it is the first video, I would like to start with Ramdhari Singh Dinkar's poem Rasmi Rathi. Would like to recite some stanzas from Rasmi Rathi, and I would also give a little brief about FIR, that is First Information Report, which is given in section 154 of CRPC. CRPC stands for Criminal Procedure Code. And in the next lecture, that will be completely for FIR, First Information Report. In that very lecture, I will discuss what are the provisions of the FIR, how one can go and register FIR, what are the difficulties, what person will do or what anybody will do when the officers in the police station is not taking the FIR, is not registering it, then what is the remedy available. I will discuss all these things, and what are the developments that has happened, what are the judgments, important judgments of the Supreme Court. All these things we will discuss in the next lecture. Today I am going to start with one poem of Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, रश्मि रथी। हो गया पूर्ण अज्ञातवास, पांडव लौटे वन से साहस, पावक में कनक सदृश तप कर, वीरत्व लिए कुछ और प्रखर, नस नस में तेज प्रवाह लिए, कुछ और नया उत्साह लिए। देन मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस स्टैंजा इज दैट कि जब पांडव जंगल में जाते हैं, वन वन भटकते हैं, तो जिस प्रकार सोना आग में तप करके और भी चमक आ जाता है, उस प्रकार पांडवों में और भी चमक आ गए। तो लाइक दैट स्टूडेंट शुड ऑल्सो गेट रेडी टू फेस एनी चैलेंजेस, बिकॉज इट विल ब्रिंग्स मोर energy, it will brings more shining to the students. सच है विपत्ति जब आती है, कायर को ही दहलाती है, सुरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज खोते, विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं, कांटों में राह बनाते हैं, मुख से न कभी उफ कहते हैं। और जो वीर होते हैं वो कभी दे नेवर रिपेंट फॉर एनीथिंग, मुख से न कभी उफ कहते हैं, संकट का चरण न गहते हैं, जो आ पड़ता सब सहते हैं, उद्योग निरत नित रहते हैं। उद्योग निरत नित रहते हैं, दैट मीन्स दे आर इंडस्ट्रियस एंड दे आर ऑलवेज engaged in their activities, always busy in their work. वसुधा का नेता कौन हुआ, भूखंड विजेता कौन हुआ, अतुलित यश क्रेता कौन हुआ, नवधर्म प्रणेता कौन हुआ, जिसने न कभी आराम किया, विघ्नों में रहकर नाम किया। ये सारे कौन हुए? सचिन तेंदुलकर कौन हुआ, अमिताभ बच्चन कौन हुआ, राम जेठमलानी कौन हुआ, जिसने मेहनत करी, जिसने दिन दिन भर रात रात भर स्टडीज करी और उसका रिजल्ट हुआ। तो वी पीपल्स आर इन द हैबिट ऑफ सीइंग द रिजल्ट्स ओनली, वी डोंट सी द एफर्ट्स। सानिया नेहवाल अपने वर्क के बाद 4 घंटे और भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करती थी। तो वी आर नॉट इन द हैबिट ऑफ सीइंग ऑन देयर एफर्ट्स, व्हाट एफर्ट्स दे आर पुटिंग ऑन. We always see the results only, that now they have got the fame name, but we should see also that what the efforts they have put in, that this effect has come out. So this was about the Rasmi Rathi some stanzas. So my topic is FIR, First Information Report, and on this my detailed lecture will be in the next class. But today I would like to start a little bit. I will give overview how I am going to deal all these things in my coming video, what is my purpose of making YouTube videos, and something about myself also, so that you can build a confidence on me. After doing my graduation from Vinoba University, sorry for disturbance, in political science, fortunately I got 10th rank in the university. I gave entrance examination of the BHU, Banaras Hindu University, and fortunately I got 33 rank there. And after that I appeared for the Delhi, and I took admission there, and after that I also gave the examination of Delhi University, and I got 133 rank, and I studied there. I completed my law from Campus Law Center, which is the top college in Delhi University for the law. And after that I am practicing in Delhi courts. I am practicing criminal law right now, including the white collar crimes. So my lectures will mainly confine to criminal law and white collar crimes, and will also try other aspects of the law, other areas of the law if I go through. Thank you. So in my next lecture I will deal completely on the FIR, First Information Report.